So today, day 7, LSD tayo, 12 kilometers run. So dito tayo sa Capitol Grounds para mag 12k LSD. 6 to 7 minutes per kilometer ang pace natin, guys. Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. 1k 654, 3k 649, 5k 645, 7k 703, 10k 702. Yo, what's up, guys? We finished a whopping 12 kilometers here again at Capitol Grounds. So nakakapagod pero sulit naman. We complete 3 sets ng run natin. First, 50 minutes easy run. Second, 5 sets ng 15 second sprint with 1 minute walk. And a 4 kilometer easy run. So I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. So run safe palagi, guys. Peace!